morning, my family. I am here. Today is Wednesday morning, and I'm getting ready to make my first meal of the day. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I have some bamboo extract here, and I just read up on this and studied a little bit. It's silica. I'm not sure if you know what silica is, but you get silica from bamboo root, and I just realized that you can build your bones if you're suffering with joint issues and you have bone issues. You can build your bones, your nails, your skin, your hair. This is great for that. Yes, my beautiful family, just sharing a quick recipe. Hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. You know, as we age, we lose our bone mass, and we need to improve on just adding little things that we can, improve our body. So hopefully you can add this in your smoothie and it helps you out as well. Here, which is my omega-3. And as a plant-based eater, you want to make sure you're getting omega-3, whether you're getting it from your pills, tablets, or you're getting it from your chia seeds. You can get it from that as well. I have some dulse and some spirulina. Dulse is really good for, it builds the iodine in your body. So any seaweed that you're going to have are sea vegetables that will help to build your iodine. And iodine is help to promote good thyroid. So if you have thyroid issue, you need some iodine. You need to do that. Flax seeds, I'm going to add some flax seed as well, which is great within omega-3, and that's great to promote good brain health. I have my coconut water here, which I share with you guys in the video. I'm going to add some of this in it, just a teaspoon of it, just to add some water as well to the smoothie. And I share that with you so you know what that is. So we have chlorella as well, which I mix into my spirulina and the dulse and barley. I mix all of that, all three of those in here. So I don't need to add this, but I just wanted to share this with you. This is the chlorella powder. So with the chlorella powder, this helps to build broken cells. It also helps to improve the cholesterol and promote heart and kidney health. So add a little bit of this in your smoothie as well. I'm so excited about all this stuff that I'm putting in here. All of this are great stuff, guys, and I just want to add everything that I can in my smoothie and get it in my body one time. I have my ginger, of course, for inflammation in the body. So I'm going to go ahead and get the smoothie together, guys. Hopefully that you guys enjoy this little smoothie I'm sharing with you guys. And I'm just going to show you how much of what I add. So then I'm gonna just add water. That's all I add to it is water, guys. And if you want to add like maybe like if you want to add like a date or so, you can do that. So let me go ahead and add my water. Okay, family, I add 1 date. Alright, family, that is my smoothie of the day. I'm going to drink this and I'm going to enjoy every minute of this, guys. I just put this in there just to give it a little bit of color. I'm going to enjoy my smoothie. The blueberries. Berries are coming in nicely. Quite a few berries on the tree. So I have 2 blueberry trees. I actually have 3 of them. There's one right here, and there's the other one here that I have blueberries coming in. So that's great right there. All right, fam. I'm actually going to work and I need to water the garden, but look what Mr. Lewin has actually created. He did both of the boxes and they look really good. So we're gonna get our celery and are you know, quite a few of the herbs that I have planted. So I'm getting ready to water some of these plants before I head out to work. It was very hot today, so let me just get some water on these plants before I head out. All right, family, I'm actually getting ready to make a vegetable soup, so I just wanted to share that with you. I have some mushrooms, some onions, 3 cloves of garlic, some celery, some squash and zucchini, carrot, a little piece of tofu, and my seasoning will be my miso. This is my miso seasoning and my yandu sauce. That's what I'm going to put in it. I have my water boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and prep everything, and I'll come right back. Hello family, thank you so much for watching our videos. As you know, my name is Marsha. If this is your first time here, welcome. And for those of you that have been here from the beginning, I want to say thank you for your support. It's well appreciated. As I'm making this video, family, I realize that I'm missing some clips. My daughter is now doing TikTok, and somehow she deleted the end of the video where I placed the soup in the plate. That's the only thing you're missing. I don't want to disappoint you guys, and I wanted to just still put the video out. So thank you so much for watching. I promise I will make it up to you next week. Once again, I hope you and your family are great and staying healthy. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.
But still